On this episode of How to Engineer Fuck the Mechanic, we are working on a 2020 Chevy Silverado 2500 4x4. This is the 6.6 liter gas engine. The work is done, but we had a squealing issue, and it turned out to be the water pump. That's not horrible, right? Right. Wrong. This is your old water pump. The way that the casting is made, not only do you have to have the alternator, or the alternator sits here. This is where that alternator mounts. But you also have the AC compressor that mounts to the water pump, which means what? You have to remove both the alternator and the AC compressor just to change the water pump. Now, this right here has been a nuisance for me. Look at that. It's not even turning. It won't turn. Like, that's it. That's all you get. I'm so past annoyed with this thing. It took me way too long. Engineers make all the money. Guess who keeps getting fucked over? This guy. I'm sick of this shit.